Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a tips and tricks video for those that have a printer they want to install, don't have the disk or the CD, or you got a CD but you bought a new computer and you suddenly realize it doesn't have a CD DVD player. So you're wondering, okay, how do I install my printer? And this is, I talk about printers, but it applies to a lot of devices on Windows. So first of all, plug it in with your USB cable to your PC and wait a certain time. Why? A lot of printers are natively supported in Windows 10. That means that if you wait, maybe the printer will have it install and it's going to work. So for example here, I often install my own HP LaserJet P1505 here on different PCs with Windows 10, and it has an automatic download of its driver. So basically it's going to detect, and when it detects, it's going to actually download the driver and install it automatically. So that is, of course, the simplest thing, but you'll have to wait. Don't, plug it in and hope that it's going to work in 2 minutes. Plug it in, look back in 15-20 minutes. If it's online and it seems that it can print, then what you could do is, of course, just be happy and everything's all right and working. But you might be in one of those situations where, okay, that didn't work. What do I do? Well, at that time, you need to go to the manufacturer's website. So, for example, I'll give you the example of my printers if I would need that driver. So, it's an HP printer. First thing you need to know, what's the brand of your printer? And what's the model number of your printer? It's very, very important to have all that information. So mine was an HP P1505. So that means I will technically go to hp.com or .ca here in Canada sometimes, and you will go to the website of your manufacturer. If you don't know it by heart, because I do, just Google it and make sure you're on the right page of the manufacturer. And then in here, you will have usually support somewhere in the page. And here, if you click support, you see that software and drivers is part of one of the options in this page. So I'll click there. Now, once you are there, you'll need to identify the device. And so here it's a printer that I know, and enter your product name. So I could just put P1505. And here you see it says HP LaserJet P1505 printer. I click here, and it will bring me to the product page. And here you go, detected operating system. In this case, it has the project driver. You see it here. Basic drivers for Windows 10 are available, and you can download it and install it from the basic display driver. Sometimes the printer driver name might not be exactly the name of your printer. So here it says HP LaserJet P1000 P1500 host base plug and play basic driver. It's for a host of different HP LaserJets that have the same way of actually communicating, but this is how you will actually find your printer. It's an Epson, same thing. So if you have a Epson printer, for example, and you don't know where to go, well, just type Epson. And here you'll see that there are pages for Epson. Make sure that you're at the right page. What is the biggest problem with drivers is sometimes they send you to these awkward pages that claim to have a driver, and then you're full of all sorts of crap. Make sure you're at the company's web page. So you'll click Epson here. And once again, now here it's in French, but you can actually search for whatever is in here. So if you look at here, it says imprimante, which is French, but printers are here, and so on. And of course, you'll be on the website and you'll be able to get your printer drivers and all the downloads that you need in terms of the printer that you might have. So just go to the manufacturer's webpage if your CD isn't there, or if your computer doesn't have a CD player, DVD player. Just go to the manufacturer webpage. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.